Morning guys, welcome to part 2 of my adventure to the Kalahari Rally. Thought I'd just go through with you quickly all the parts that I've received this week and some of the parts I didn't install last week. And we're prepping for my bike race next week. It's the Pinetown Off-Road Club, and we're doing the west to south, so riding from Peacevale all the way down to Umkomaas, 120 kilometers, and yeah, very keen for it. So I won't be putting the long or the wider range gear ratios on for that, but pretty much everything else I'm going to try and get on. Try and do the tank, the suspension are the two most important things, and then we'll see if we can fit the bar in, and I've got to get a GPS on. All right, let's see what parts we have here. This over here is my spanner for the front fork. This guy, oh there we go, look at that. So 50mm WP spanner to do the front forks. This is some front fork protectors that I've got from a guy called Norton. I'll put a link in the description where you can get them from. Oh, there we go. Fork socks. Thanks, bro. Cheap, cheerful. I'll let you know how they go. GPS. Garmin Montana GPS. Okay, I've got a cradle for this coming during the week, so I'll probably only fit this just before the bike ride next weekend. But we'll turn it on and see how it works, see what it looks like. Looks pretty cool. Desert Fox. Got a 3-litre Desert Fox fuel bladder and a 6-litre. So this is my method for trying to keep my fuel storage cost down for the rally. So part of my Nomad Adventure kit that I bought, there's some side racks on the bike, and then these should tie nicely onto those side racks. So for a lot less money, you can do about 12 or 15 litres on the rear of the tank comfortably, without having to spend, a 5-litre rear fuel tank for my bike is $1,000, so this is going to cost $150. So yeah, so it's a lot less. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And there's going to be a lot more videos to come, and then we will start getting cracking with the install. I think I'm going to start with the rear spring. Oh, one more thing. I bought a new pressure washer. My old one, I'm not going to do any name brand bashing. My old one pegged after using it 4 times. So yeah, so I actually need to wash the bike. So maybe I'll start with that, and after I've washed the bike, get into some upgrades. Very, very cool, works well, cheap and cheerful. It's the cheapest one they have, and I'm mightily impressed. Sorry, you missed a little bit of that. My camera was recording on slow-mo and then it stopped. So I just took this off with the rear mud flap in the back here, and I just taken these, cracked these bolts out. So yeah, I just missed a little bit, but then I'll show you the rest. You just lift this up a little bit. Put this down. So the same height. Here you can read standard 1 WP. Can you see there, what's it say? 63, 66, 69, 225. And this one says 72, 75, 79, 225. You check that. Cool, man. Now we have to measure. So the spring preload, I went way too much. It's only meant to be 8 millimeters. I want to put 10 just to see what happens. I'm not gonna lie to you, I think that was the easy part. Let's see what the front's like. Almost forgot to lock the shock. Okay, let's start with the front. Let's take the tire off. Can you believe? Wrong size. Where are we looking here? Just doesn't fit. Looks like it is a 50mm. But this over here is a 6-sided and this is an 8-sided. That's what the problem is. You know what? If I just cut these off, the ends, it might work. Should I try it? 200 Rand. So what's that like? $10. Like I can feel it immediately. Alright, let's get the tank off. Yeah, put that down for me. Put it down for me.
Okay. Baby bean.
Okay, now when you want to stop, you just come up like this.
You know what washing on. This should be the washing on, and this should be a zip line.